In this Excel Basics lesson, we focus on how to properly set up your print page to ensure your data prints exactly as needed. Begin by selecting the Page Layout tab, then click on Page Setup. This opens the window where you define the exact area and settings for printing. You can either manually enter the range of cells to print or simply select the area directly on your worksheet that you want to print. This gives you full control over what data will appear on your printed page. Within the Page Setup window, there's a section called Print Titles. Here, you can specify rows or columns to repeat on each printed page. Very useful for keeping headers visible when printing multi-page reports. Additionally, under the Print Area option, make sure to select the cells you want printed. This tells Excel exactly which part of your sheet to print, avoiding unwanted empty spaces or irrelevant data. Once you have set these options, click OK to confirm and save your print setup. Your data is now configured to print cleanly and professionally according to your specifications. Mastering this setup is essential for creating clear, readable printouts from Excel that highlight the right information every time.